What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get the reply option on Instagram. So if you are like me, I created this new Instagram account to test this, if it works or not. So if it works for me, then it will work for you. As you can see here, I don't have the reply option. I tried, like if you want to reply to someone after you update the app, after you do the steps that I'm about to show you in this video, whenever you press on and hold on that message, like when you press and hold on that message, you will see the reply option where you can reply, so that you can reply to that specific message. Or you can just press and swipe to the right and you will be able to reply to a specific message on Instagram. Now, if you don't have that feature like me on this new account, I created this new account to make it as an example. Now, what you want to do, guys, to fix this problem, here's a few solutions which will fix your problem 100%. Now, the first method, guys, you want to go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram. Now, click on Instagram, and here it says for me open, but if you don't have the latest version, it will say their update. So you want to make sure that you update the app to the latest version. Just click on update and wait a few seconds, and the Instagram will be updating. Now, after Instagram updates itself, now after that you want to open your Instagram account and see if the reply option appears on your Instagram or not. If not, here is the solution which will work for you. I'm going to be showing a couple of methods that will work for you. You want to click three little lines in the top right of your Instagram account, three little lines, and then click settings, the top feature, the top option. You want to click on settings. Now, here in the top of follow and invite friends, you will see there an option. It will say there update messaging. Okay, you want to click on update messaging in the top. If you are like me, you don't see it, don't worry. I'm going to be showing you how you can add that feature on your Instagram settings so that you can reply to a specific message. Now, if you see it, click on it and then click update and then follow the steps. They are very easy. You can see the interactions in the screen. So if you don't see it, what you want to do, guys, to fix this problem, you want to go to your settings. Okay, you want to go to settings and search for general, as you can say, general, and then click on. You can do the same steps on Android phones. Now, if you are using iPhone, follow the steps, and then you want to search for language and region. As you can see, language and region, and then you want to click on iPhone language in the top. Okay. Now you want to switch your iPhone language to UK English. This is working. This works for me every single time. Just switch to UK English. I can't do that now because the screen recording will be stopped. So you want to just click on UK English, as you can see here. Now, after you select UK English, check now if the reply option has been added to your Instagram.